Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Eltham Vista, St. Catherine, a quaint community to start a family or raise a family. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom corner lot is ideal. In addition to the bedrooms, there is an open concept living, dining room, and kitchen with high ceilings, a laundry room, and an enclosed backyard for an outdoor entertainment. No doubt, the property needs YTU, which is your touch of uniqueness, such as new tiles, finalize the bathroom in the master bedroom, and the upgrades to the doors. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 20 million or US $129,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.